Hi, I'm Mac with Koenig Equipment.
My name is Dalton, and today we're going to be taking off a 260B backhoe off a 1025R.
Put the tractor in park, start it, set it to a low idle, and then the first thing we're going to do to start taking this backhoe off is we're going to release both stabilizers from their lock position, set each one down to where they're just barely touching the ground or just an inch off the ground at most.
So the next step, what we want to do is we want to make sure we have our travel pin pulled, and then we're going to need to unlock our backhoe, and we want to lower our backhoe all the way down to our bucket is sitting flush on the ground.
So for the next step, now that we have our tripod kind of set up here, what we're going to do is we're going to apply pressure to our backhoe. Since we have our bucket nice and flat, and the point of that is to take weight off of the two pins that are holding in our backhoe at the top here, and then we will pull both of those pins.
Now the next step, what we want to do is we need to get the backhoe off the tractor frame. So all we're going to do is we're going to press down simultaneously on our stabilizers, and it's just going to rise the whole backhoe up off the tractor.
All right, for our next step, now that we have the backhoe frame off the frame of the tractor, we're going to start the tractor up and pull it forward approximately 6 inches to give us clearance to set the backhoe down on the ground.
And now what we need to do is we need to lower the backhoe onto the ground. So our next step is we're just going to take our stabilizers and just slowly raise them up, and our backhoe is going to fall down.
Now that we've got our backhoe seated on the ground, what we want to do is release our hydraulic pressure and unhook our 2 hydraulic lines on the back, and this backhoe will be disconnected. As a reminder, once you're done uncoupling your backhoe hydraulics, you want to take the 2 lines from the tractor and reconnect those together. As this tractor runs off a complete circular system, this will allow you to use your 3-point hitch again once you reinstall it.
Now we got our backhoe taken off. We can now drive off into the sunset and do some other yard work with some different rear attachments. If you got any more questions, feel free to stop by our 15 stores, and you guys have a good day.